Kids, you know the letter Y and how to write the big Y and the small y. Now, let's hear the sound letter Y makes. Listen to me. Ya. Ya. Say it with me. Ya.
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 Very good. Now, let's see some words that have the letter Y, ya, sound. Yard. Ya. Ya. Yard.
Yard. Ya. Ya. Yard.
Yellow. Ya. Ya. Yellow.
Yellow. Ya. Ya. Yellow.
Yo-yo. Ya. Ya. Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Ya. Ya. Yo-yo.
Oh, look, a little boy is playing with a yellow yo-yo in the yard. Let's sing. It's singing time, so let's sing the song of letter Y together. Yellow yo-yo, yellow yo-yo, ya, ya, yellow, ya, ya, yo-yo. This is a big Y, this is a small Y, ya, 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 ya. Yellow yo-yo, yellow yo-yo, ya, ya, yellow, ya, ya, yo-yo. This is a big Y, this is a small Y, ya, 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 ya. Wow, you did a great job. Okay, you know how to write letter Y, what sound letter Y makes, and you also know some words with letter Y, ya sound. I hope you had fun in this lesson. See you later. Bye-bye.